history of drug use when he was young and all this stuff. How did this guy, he is such a master guitar player, James Taylor, with his finger picking. It's just remarkable. And each finger has to land correctly on each string, and he doesn't make mistakes. And if he does, he knows how to cover it. I mean, the level of skill of Paul McCartney. I didn't know anything about a teacher. Don't know how to I don't know music theory. Don't know it. And he's writing Blackbird, and he's writing Let It Be. And I mean, it doesn't. It is. I can't comprehend it.
Howard, excuse me a second. Can I pump up my dick while you tell the story?
Yeah, go ahead and pump up your dick. Yeah, please. Yeah, that's right here.
70%.
70. You have 70%.
70%.
But the thing that cracks me up about it is that now there are whole schools that teach people what these people who don't have all that information, they can't read music, they can't